Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm in the scent, flavor, shade Mojito from the brand Sugar. And this is a product that I got in my October 2021 Ipsy Glam bag. And this is a full-size product. It retails for $8.99. And by the way, if you have not seen my unbagging video of that yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But I love trying out lip balms because I just always have super chapped, dry lips, just like right now. So this is the perfect product for me to try out. Oh, the packaging is so cute. Okay, so this also sounds amazing. It says it's made with vitamin E, jojoba oil, and shea butter to deeply moisturize and help eliminate flakes, chapping, and cracks. All right, and I love that it's the twist up like this. Oh, and it smells so good. It's a pretty strong minty scent. I like when my lip products have a fun scent to them. Okay, let's go ahead and see how this is on my lips. And I didn't even swatch it because you can see it's just a completely clear color. And I am watching my lips become moisturized, which now they are fully, completely moisturized, just like I was hoping. It might be more like the mint scent, but I am getting a slightly cooling feeling on the lips as well, which is nice. And it really is just like a nice classic lip balm. The finish of it has some slight shine, just like your average lip balm, but I'm so glad to see that any chapped, dry areas on my lips are immediately gone. So it does seem like it deeply, fully moisturized my lips, just like I would hope with any lip balm. It has the nice smell, but it doesn't have like an odd taste or anything like that. Cute packaging. I seriously have no complaints about it. I think it is a great lip balm. Just so easy. You can throw it on anytime, anywhere. You don't even have to look in a mirror to apply it because it's this clear color. So if you're looking for a fun, super moisturizing lip balm for the colder weather as it's now approaching, I think this is a good one to try out. I do think that lip balms are a type of makeup product that you do not have to spend a lot of money on. And even to me, $8.99 is on the pricier end for what I would want to pay for a lip balm, but at least it is a really good lip balm for that price. So if you've tried this out, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. I saw that I think this comes in some other fun flavors as well, so if you've tried any of the other flavors, I'd love to hear how those are. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.